Hello, boys and girls. This pandemic has changed the entire world. Everything has changed around us, isn't it? The education line is also changing accordingly, and everybody is now coming out with a virtual or online course. Realizing this, we also thought that we should also come out with a real good value course where students can access all over India. Why should we limit ourselves to only students in Delhi? And we decided to go on our dream project, and I'm really glad that we have now been able to launch the only available course in India for online training for cabin crew and ground staff training. And you know, this is the best course and one of the most affordable course that you can get. I'm sure you're still thinking about whether you should do online course or you should go for a physical class, right? Now let me tell you a few things that can help you to make a decision about yourself, whether you want to go for this or you still want to go for a physical classroom. The first and the main advantage है कि आप इस कोर्स को अपने घर में आराम से अपनी कन्वीनियंस पे कर सकते हैं. You don't have to really go for the physical classes which can stop tomorrow due to any lockdown. But in this course, you'll be able to finish your course well in time. Secondly, it is one of the most affordable course because we know a physical classroom course में आप almost 1 लाख रुपए से ऊपर देते हैं, लेकिन ये कोर्स आपको उससे बहुत कम कॉस्ट में आपको अवेलेबल होगा, जो जिसमें कि आप लर्निंग वीडियोस के थ्रू आप सीख सकते हैं एंड अपने आप को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं. मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ. कल जब आप इंटरव्यू पे जाएंगे, कोई आपसे पूछेगा दैट हैव यू डन दिस कोर्स फिजिकली और हैव यू डन दिस कोर्स ऑनलाइन और वर्चुअली? इट विल नॉट मैटर माई फ्रेंड. द ओनली थिंग दे विल चेक ओवर देयर इज़ कि आपके पास वो कैलिबर है, आपके पास वो स्किल्स हैं जो उनको चाहिए, और अगर आपने वो कहीं से भी सीखे हैं, यू आर अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडिडेट फॉर सिलेक्शन. नेक्स्ट, whenever you do a physical course, जब आपकी क्लास मिस हो जाती है तो आप क्या करते हैं? Do you go and tell your teacher to do the class again for you and you think he will do it? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. But in your learning videos, you can go back and go through that class again and again. And सबसे बड़ी बात, जब आपको चाहिए आप तब दोबारा देख सकते हैं. You don't have to ask any teacher that I want to go through that lesson again. So don't you think this will give you a better power to learn than just going through one physical class? Next, one of the main advantage that you will get from us is that we are from this industry from last 35 years, and we are going to arrange special industry expert sessions which you will not be able to see online, but also you will get recordings. Now this is the real knowledge of the industry. It is not available in books, and you will have access along with this course which is not available with any physical classroom. And I'm sure आप सोच रहे होंगे कि practically नहीं सीखेंगे तो कैसे होगा? Do you know, in this course, in the end you will also have practical sessions, and when you reach that level you will get that practical training and including mock interviews, because we want to make sure when you go there for the selection you are one of the best candidate. And I'm sure you are worried about your certification, placement. Of course you get certification when you complete the course, and you will also get placement assistance once you complete your practical session with us. What else do you need, my friend? And lastly, you will get access to these classes throughout your life. आपको जब देखने हैं आप इन वीडियोस को जाके दोबारा देख सकते हैं और अपने नॉलेज को दोबारा ब्रश अप कर सकते हैं. Tell me, is there any other physical course that can give you these kind of advantages? Then what are you thinking, my friend? Just go to the link below, click on that and register yourself for our course. Or you can go to our website www.skylarkinstitute.co.in and find more information about our courses. And I look forward to seeing you in the class very soon. Thank you and bye-bye.